children. Nice to see you. See, in this session we are going to learn computer in our daily lives. See the topic. Topic is totally different, you know. Yes, without computer we cannot live. This situation is going on now because in this corona period, as a teacher we are in a school, we are teaching, you are learning in your home itself, right? So with the help of computer or tab, laptop or smartphone, with the help of these all types of computer you are learning. Is it right, children? So computer is an essential part in our life. We are feeling the same. Yes. See the lesson name, computer in our daily lives. Without computer we cannot live. In this situation is there now. See, uses of computer for different works. So different types of works we are using computer. So each and every work we are depending the computer. Uses of computer in different places. In different places we are using computer. Okay, let's see, discuss first different work. In different tasks we are facing in computer for drawing pictures, play games, do calculations, solving sums, listen music, watch movies, search information, sending and receiving messages. See, these all topics, uses of computer for different work. Is it right? If it is a small children, your computer, you are using computer for what purpose? For playing games, draw pictures or watching lesson in this time, right? For your brother and sister, doing calculations, listen music, watch movies, even though you also watching movies, some cartoon movies are there, no? Then see, different places we are using. School, college, hospital, bank, office, railway station, airport, shops, hotel, home, weather forecasting, research fellows are using computer. Is it right? So these are the different tasks and this is a different places we are using computer. Now see the children, computer is an electronic machine which works on electricity. Yes, with the help of electricity computer is working. That's why we are telling computer is an electronic machine. So in this session we are going to learn computer works in a different way and we are working computer in a different places. So these two topics we are discussing. See, how can we use a computer? How can you use a computer? For play games, listen to music, watch movies, searching information. What is meant by searching information? Suppose if you want to learn about butterfly, we can type the name as a butterfly. We can get so many informations regarding butterfly. Okay, in a Google format. Okay, children. Now we can see type and save letters and paragraphs respectively. These can be used anytime. So if we type any story or letters, we have to save. Then only at any time we can get it, means with the help of save folder we can take it and watch whenever we want. Okay, children. Yes, see the next topic. We can store name, address and telephone number, etc. Yes. Last year what we learned, how can we type our name, address and all. Can you remember that? Yes, the same. We can store these all points also. We can type our name and we can type our address and telephone. See the next one, we can use the built-in dictionary in computer. It helps us to increase our word power. So if you want to learn more words with the help of built in a dictionary. It also helps us in checking our spellings and grammars. If we make any spelling mistakes or grammar mistakes, it will be help us. Okay, we can make colorful pictures. With the help of mouse, we can make a colorful pictures using Microsoft Paint application. Right. With the help of calculation application, we can do calculations. We can solve sums quickly and accurately within a second. Okay. How nowadays we see uses of computer everywhere. If you are going hospital, we can see computer. If you are going shop for purchase dress or grocery items or vegetables, fruits, whatever it is, we can see computer in there also, isn't it? In that place also. So let us study the uses of computer at some places. See children, it's very interesting lesson. We can learn more and more points. Already you know about the computer very well for playing games, for watching music and watching movies only. So you are a third standard students. So please listen carefully, and this is interesting lesson. Enjoy and learn. Okay. Places where computers are used. See, school. This atmosphere we are not having now, because you are in home, I am in school, or I am in home. With the help of phone or computer, we are learning, we are discussing. So, first topic, school. Places where computer are used. First topic, school. Computers act as a teaching, learning material. Okay, teacher is teaching. Okay, teacher is teaching with the help of computer. You are also learning with the help of computer. They make it more interesting and easy. If it is a picturization, we can listen the lesson in an interesting manner. That's why I show a book now. Okay children, they make it more interesting and easy. Teachers use computer for making timetable, report cards. Yes, you are in home now. We are sending timetable, online class so and so on time, and we are sending a report card also, what marks you got. Is it right children? Students are computer for getting information on different topics. I told you no, regarding butterfly topic or wonders of the world, 7 wonders of the world, no. That topics also we can search, and we learn more and more points. Already we know what are the 7 wonders of the world. More and more points we can learn with the help of searching information. It is also used in school libraries. These all are available in school libraries. See, next, shops and hotels. Okay, computers are used for making bills. After if you are going hotel, we are taking breakfast or lunch, whatever it is, after finished our lunch, we are taking bills with the help of computer, through computer, keeping the records for stock and sales of different items. Suppose if it is a grocery shop, how many things are sold, how many things are left, or how many things we have to order. These all we can get it from the computer. Okay, easily. It's very easy to take the stock. How many things are sold, how many things are left. We can take that list. Okay, see the next one, hospital. Next one, hospital. Before see the topic, see one box is here. Higher order thinking skills. See the box. It is possible for a doctor to monitor and measure heartbeat without using a computer. I am asking question to you. It is possible for a doctor to monitor and measure heartbeat without using a computer. Yes, of course, but nowadays computer is also helping. That is my explanation. Okay, computer helps in diagnosing patients' diseases. What is the diseases occurred by the patient? So, computer is diagnosing, making bills and keeping records of the patient. What is the name of the patient? What disease they have occurred? What is the address of the patients? Okay, what tablets suggested by the doctor and what tablet they are taking. Okay children, It is also helps doctor in operation theaters. So these all details is helpful for doctors in operation theater. Okay. Next, railway station. Railway station to reserve tickets. At what time train will arrive and departure. These points we can know with the help of railway station computer. Okay. Next, banks. Computer are used in maintain the accounts in transaction of customers. So we are the customers. If we put money into the into a bank, so deposit or saving accounts, is it right, children? Last year, one bank has came. They are telling we are saving your amount, even 1 rupee also. We are creating an account in your name. So tell your parents. Can you remember that point? Yes, we can create a saving account. Then you can get a piggy bank also. Can you remember that? Yes, the same. See, one box has given. Do you know ATM machines or computers? ATM stands for automated teller machine. The full form of ATM is automated teller machine. Next, airport. Same. Computers are used for booking tickets. Yes. If you want to go to somewhere, we can go through our aeroplane. We can book the tickets, keeping the records of flights and maintaining security. Computer also help aeroplanes take off and land. We learn for train, at what time train will arrive and departure. Here we can say take off and land. Understand, my children? See, do you know an autopilot is a computer or device that fly aeroplane. An autopilot is a computer or a device that fly aeroplane. The pilots can rest for some time, leaving the aeroplane on an autopilot. Okay, children, it's a very interesting message, no? Yes. See, next, office. Our father is also working in office. Computers are used to maintain record of salaries, employees and accounts. Right, children? Our father is also doing the same. They have to maintain salary list of the employees and they have to maintain accounts. In home what we are doing? Yes, we are doing calculations, simple calculations. We are watching movies, we are listening. Okay, our mother is also doing maintaining the accounts. Is it right? Computer helps us to do homework, calculate monthly expenses and enjoying movies, songs and games. So this all purpose we can do in our home computer. We can also purchase items sitting at home through online shopping. With the help of computer, it is called online shopping. Now it is a corona period, no. So that's why we are stay safe in our home. That's what, nobody should go out. So better online shopping is good. Weather forecasting. Computers also help in forecasting weather. Very big computers are used for forecasting weather of different places of earth. Now the rain will come or not. Now it is a cyclone or not. Is it right, children? So we can learn this all things through computer. Fun and entertainment. Fun and entertainment. The topic is very, we are enjoying fun and entertainment. Many films production houses use computers to give animation and special effects in their films. Yes, we are enjoying the movies, right? See, do not try to imitate or use the style of characteristics shows in an animated film. Even Aladdin, I love Aladdin film. And that new fish, remember that? Yes, the fish is talking. If the fish is talking, nowadays the fish is talking. No, fish cannot talk. But the animation moving, fish also can talk. And monkey can dancing. Is it right, children? Next, research and development. See, scientists use computers for doing minute calculations. Robots are also made by using computers. So research fellows to launch the rocket with the help of computer. Is it right? Then robots are designed by the computer. These are used for research in defense and space. Defense means yes, army. We can save our country messages in a secret format, in a coding format, right? Space. What is meant by space? Space na தெரியாதவங்க யாருமே கிடையாது. விண்வெளி. Very good. Publishing and designing. Yes, computers are used for printing and designing books. You see how our book, can you see book, our computer book? It's a totally full of designing in a colorful manner, right? With the help of computer it is possible. Computers are used for printing and designing books, newspapers and magazines, clothes, even our clothes also designing with the help of computer, even car also making cartoons and animated movies. So these all with the help of computer it's possible. See what we learned till now. Through let's summarize, we can just remember all the points. See, hold your finger on your book, just listen line by line. So reading is very important, you know, children. Computer is a machine which can do different types of work. It stores and processes data with high speed and accuracy. Speed and accuracy. Speed. We can type letters, paragraphs, play games, save addresses, use dictionary, watch movies, do calculations, etc. on a computer. So these all works we can do in a computer. Computers are used for different purposes at different places like schools, defense forces, research, weather forecasting, etc. See children, in my advice, what you have to do, if you are having computer in your home, please type your name and type your address with phone number. You have to learn this, how to type with the help of keyboard. This is my kindly advice. Okay children, read the book. How I read? No, the same you have to read the book. Reading habit is very important. That's why I read out this. Let's summarize 4 points. Okay children, thank you. Enjoy this lesson.